Okay, see few more transaction of this question. Next is goods purchased from Suresh on credit. So this time we are buying goods from Suresh on credit. Entry will be purchase account debit to Suresh. I told you earlier also, apart from format of cash book, you have to prepare format of journal. Such type of entries will come in journal. So treatment of this particular transaction you will write in journal, and your entry will be purchase account debit to Suresh. Okay. Now see next. On April 16, paid to Suresh by check. So we are giving amount to Suresh. This is our payment. Entry will be Suresh debit to bank account, and treatment will come in credit side. Date is 16 by Suresh, and amount is 2,500. Amount will come in bank column because we are paying amount to Suresh by check. Now next is April 17, received a check from Ajay, not banked. So simply they are saying check is not deposited into bank. We are simply receiving this check from Ajay. Journal entry will be check in hand account debit to Ajay. Once again, treatment of particular transaction will come in journal. Apart from cash book, one more format you have prepared. In that particular format, you will write treatment of this particular transaction. That is check in hand account debit to Ajay. Next is on April 20, check received from Ajay endorsed to Vijay. So check previously received from Ajay, we are simply endorsing it to Vijay. Journal entry will be Vijay debit to check in hand. Again, treatment will come in journal. This particular treatment will not come in cash book. Okay, so journal entry will be Vijay debit to check in hand. Now next, on April 22, received check from Mahesh and deposited it into bank 2,700. So bank account debit to Mahesh, and treatment will come in cash book to Mahesh. We are receiving 2,700 from Mahesh on April 22, and amount will come in bank column because we are receiving a check from Mahesh and we are immediately depositing this particular check into our bank account. So journal entry will be bank account debit to Mahesh, and treatment will be to Mahesh, and amount will come in bank column. Okay. Now see next transaction. On April 24, received cash 1,000 and check 1,200 for cash sale. So once again you can see we are receiving cash as well as check, but there is no information regarding check whether we are depositing this particular check into our bank account or not. So that means we are not depositing this particular check into our bank. So in this case, our entry will be cash account debit, check in hand account debit to sales. So in this particular journal entry, cash account debit to sales will be posted in cash book, and check in hand account debit to sales will be written in journal. Okay, so we are receiving cash worth rupees 1,000 to cash account debit to sales. This particular treatment will come in cash book to sales account. 1,000 will come in cash column, and date is April 24, and check in hand account debit to sales will be posted in journal. Now next is on April 25, paid into bank. Paid into bank, once again you can see this is our contra journal and contra entry because we are depositing our cash into bank. Journal entry will be bank account debit to cash account, and treatment will come in both sides. Bank account debit to cash account, so treatment in debit side will come to cash account. Here we will write C. 10,000 rupees will come in bank column, and by bank account contra 10,000, and date is April 25. April 25. Okay.